Hey. Good morning, Rad Reelers. Day number 3, truck camping in the Florida Everglades. And guys, I'm just having an absolute blast. I came back over here to where the place is loaded with gar and Oscars. I did see a peacock bass here yesterday too. So I've already caught a peacock bass. That was one of my goals. And I wanted to catch these exotic fish. And if you are just tuning in and you didn't see the other episodes, what I've been catching these fish on is called a road runner. And all it is a jig head with a little spinner. And this one right here this is an 1/8 ounce, not heavy at all. And I have been putting a electric chicken, soft little twisty tail on there. That's your electric chicken color. It's kind of a pink and green and yellow. And these fish are going absolutely crazy over this setup. So yesterday, if you didn't see that video, I don't even know if I put it in the video yet because I haven't edited it, but yesterday I ended my fishing with I got hung up in a tree and I broke off, which is the first time I got hung up in a tree in a couple days of fishing. Not bad, but I'm having a blast out here truck camping, you guys. It's nice and cool this morning. It's about 65 degrees. That's what the rig looks like right there. And you have to make sure you get the twisty tail on there the right way, and I don't know if that's the right way or not. I'll know whenever I cast it. If it spins around, I just need to change the twisty tail to the opposite direction, and then it'll run straight. But got these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description area if you guys want to go over there and check it out. I bought these when I was at the Bass Pro Shop. First cast, I am going to catch a Oscar. And then at some point, there's going to be a massive alligator that shows up. There's a giant over here. I mean, 10, 11, 12 footer. Monster alligator. Look at that. The sun hasn't cracked over the horizon. We have a beautiful, beautiful day here in the Florida Everglades. Yeah, nice and cool. This is where that big old gator, he likes to hang out in here. But look, guys, you can see the gar all piled up in here. I can see some Oscars down there this morning. Lots of activity. Oh, there's some monster gar down there. Watch this. First cast, first thing in the morning. We're about to get hooked up, baby. Oop, there he is. There he is. I got hit. Oh, I missed him. There he is. First cast. There we go. That's the way we do it in the Florida Everglades. I mean, really, I could drive all over the place and find a different fishing spot, right? Uh-oh, I forgot my needle nose pliers. Or my fish pliers, yeah, needle nose. Oh, see ya. Nice. We got us an Oscar. We got us an Oscar. So I educated a bunch of them yesterday, right? But who lives better than JC? Second cast. Now this is a different spot here. I don't know if I'll get one over here. Yep, there we go. Second cast. Second cast, baby. Nice. Oh, I lost him. He stole my little twisty tail. All right, cast number 3. Oh, I missed him. There. Oh, dude, they're all over it. They hit it three times. Once they pull the tail down on it, they won't hit it. It's the strangest thing. It's like the tail has to be connected to the jig head. But they're over that way. Been catching them, most of them closer to the bridge, but this morning they're way out there in the middle too. And it's just a steady retrieve. You don't have to do anything fancy with it. There, oh, I had him. Yeah, my twisty tail got pulled off. They don't seem to be hitting it very well without the twisty tail. So I just happen to have some here, and we'll get this guy rigged up with another twisty tail. This is color my buddy Captain Todd, this electric chicken. This is the color he was catching crappie on last year when he was trolling. But I think when I go home, I'm going to order some of these Roadrunners in the 1/4 ounce for trolling for crappie. And yeah, watch this. Watch this. Well, there he is. There he is. I had Gar following at that time. I got hit like 3 times. It was spinning around though. It needs to be rigged different. Let's see. Change my twisty tail around. Make a little bit of a difference here. Dude, these, I cannot tell you how much fun this is. I wish you guys were here with me right now. All right, come on, little Oscars, where you at? Oh, there he is, there he is. I caught quite a few of them yesterday out of here. They're not as active getting on it this morning. Huh. I didn't hook them all already, did I? Dude, this is weird. I'm gonna shorten it up. I think they're short striking it. I just made my tail a little bit shorter. It's like they're short striking this morning. They're a little bit leery, I think. I think they've seen this lure a few times now over the past couple days. Oh, that was a good hit. There he is. There we go. There we go. Maybe that's what we needed to do, just shorten the tail up a little bit. That's a pretty decent one here. Heck yeah. So if you didn't see the other video, I'll put a link in the description area to that one. I did a catch and cook with these little guys the first night that I was here. They are very good, very delicious. And I fried them up. The meat it's very firm. They do that right there every time I catch one. It's like they'll act like, okay, I'm not gonna move, I'm not gonna move. And then all of a sudden they just start flipping and kicking. But oh yeah, here we go. Got another nice one, man. But wow, dude, come on, I'm gonna let you go. Now look at how Try it again. Look at how thick these guys are. I mean, across the top, they're about an inch and a quarter, inch and a half thick. You get some really nice thick fillets off of these. And oh, come on. They are very slippery, obviously, extremely slimy, and hard to freaking hold on to. But the meat is very firm when you cook it. It's not mushy, and that's what I liked about it. But I just saw a really big one over here. Let's see if we can get him interested. Oh, dude, there's a bunch of them over there. Whoa, whoa, there are a bunch of them. This morning, they seem to be hanging out more closer to the landscape over there. Yeah, baby. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And all of them in this pool area, they've all got the little red dot. Show you here. They've all got the little red ring on their tail. I have got to figure out a way to hold these so that they won't flip all over the place. I don't know. Maybe that way. We'll hold them kind of like if we're holding a bluegill. But they have accents of red on them, on their tail and on their fins. There you go. I think that's the way to hold them. Hold them the way I was taught to hold a bluegill when I was younger. You just get a good grip on them that way. But let's see, he's got some red on his tail right there. He's got a little red spot right there. And in the water, you can see how they're a little bit lighter colored. In the water, you can see that tan spot really good, and you'll see the black markings on them also. All right, big guy. Thanks for the... All right, big guy. Thanks for the catch. Slimy, slimy, slimy. Well, yeah. I'm working up an appetite, baby. Okay. Got me a little go-go juice this morning. GoPro is still running. Dude, we're at like 17 minutes already. We've caught a few fish. Not bad. Not bad. My little Roadrunner got bent up on that one. I don't know. My tail is all split. Well, they came out of there. Let me cast over there and see if they're over there again, or if I just scared them all out. Yeah, I don't see them over there now. Oh, there was one. The one came out and looked at it. Let's cast back over there. There's quite a few of them way over that way. Oh, dude, here comes Mr. Gator. Here comes that big gator. Look at here, look at here. I just scared him. I just scared the living jeebies out of him. He wasn't expecting that. He's like, what the heck was that? Here he is. Boy, he is a big one too. Actually, that looks like a smaller gator. Yeah, it might be the same one. I scared him good. I scared him really good. That's funny. All right, I'm gonna turn you guys around this way now. Look at all the gar. There's like 50 of them right here. Look at them all. Just tons of them. So cool. All right, let's see if we can get an Oscar. Oscar, come on, Mr. Oscar, where are you? Yeah, the tail is pulled down. Get that. I'm gonna make the tail super short. This is the That's the shortest tail I've used yet. We'll probably catch one on this one. Yep. Pulling the tail down. Try it again. Yeah, they got the tail completely that time. I'm going through more tail today than I've been through the whole trip. And I still got plenty of them in here for this morning. Definitely. Guys, I'm going to try and do more adventure videos like this where I get out and I travel and I truck camp. The weather is right. I've been waiting for, you know, things to cool off. They're finally cooling off. I mean, it feels great out here. Excuse me. It's comfortable to truck camp. It's hot during the day, but at night it's cool. I got to get my drink. Okay. We got us a new tail. Cast in a new spot. See if we got a fish hanging out over there that's hungry. A hungry fish. Huh. Got him. Got him. I saw him eat it right in front of me. There were 2 or 3 of them following it. Woo! Having a good time. There were 2 or 3 of them following him. He could not resist it, man. Wham! Sucked that thing right up in there. Now look at this one. Look at this one's got some lighter colors on it. A lot lighter colors. That's a very pretty one right there. Look at that guy. And these little guys have got teeth. Well, he's got a nice red ring on his tail. Really good red ring. Very, very prominent. All right, we get a good grip on this guy. There we go, baby. Nice, big old fatty there. All right, thanks for the catch, buddy. See ya. Nice, look at the reflection in the water. Isn't that beautiful? We're back in action. All right, oh, big old Mr. Wily Gator's over here. I'm gonna see if I can beat the gator. If I get a hookup. He's showing me he's king of his domain right now. There he is. There we go. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Yeah, he's not coming over here. That's a good thing. Oh, here he comes. Holy smokes. Dude, look who just showed up at the party. I knew there was a bigger one in here. Oh my gosh. They teamed up on me this morning. I got one big gator over there, and I was looking at that gator, and then I looked down at my Oscar, and the big boy was underneath the bridge. Ooh, they had a plan this morning. They were teaming up on me. I did an airboat ride yesterday, which was an absolute blast, man. It was so much fun. The finish with a ride, and the guy says to me, he says, "Are you gonna go see the gator show now?" And I told him, I said, "Dude, I got my own gator show at the place where I'm fishing." I said, "They come up and they're literally 3 feet away from me." Another big old fat Oscar. If I was keeping them, dude, I'd have plenty to eat, right? Nice. We're having a great time, but I'll give you guys a close-up look of Mr. Gator here. You can see the white marks on his back there. He is not afraid of me at all. That's a big one, fellas. That is a big one. I mean, from the tip of his snout to his eyeballs is probably 12 inches, 11 inches. And then from his eyeballs back to like the back of his head, that's probably another 10 inches. Dude, I mean, just from the snout to the back of his head, that guy's about 2 feet long. I think I underestimated him. I mean, before when I saw him, I thought, he's like 10, 11, 12 foot. That's probably close to a 14-foot gator. Better be careful. They might like come up here and try and get me. Okay, well, we got us another Oscar. And we got a big old fat alligator show going on here. I don't know where that other one went. Oh, I had another hit. There he is, fish on. Oh, get away from that gator. He's got his mouth open. He is so ready. I got another gator around here somewhere. Oh, here he comes, look at him. Oh God, there's 2 of them coming. Holy smokes. Dude, I got both of them down here. I got one there and I got that big mammoth right there. It's pretty scary, even though I'm up here. Yeah, see, that one right there is more like 10 foot. Oh, look, he's coming out. He's gonna let you guys see how big he actually is. Oh my Lord, guys, look at that. Look at that freaking gator. Dude, his tail's 5 feet long or longer. Woo! Yeah, getting them, baby. Well, that was exciting. That was a lot of fun. All right, thanks for the catch. See ya. Yeah, having a good time this morning. Having a great time getting them on the little road runner. These little Oscars have got some pretty serious teeth. So every now and then I check my leader just to make sure it's not cut or anything. All right. Whoop, whoop, whoop. These gators made things exciting this morning. Whoa, oh, almost put it right in a tree. I am all slimed up. I was just thinking I probably won't get one on this cast, but I got one messing with it. It's nice when the cars take a break. You can hear the serenity of the Everglades. There we go. There we go. We'll probably get one on this cast. Yep, there he is. There he is. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Them gators are down that way. And here they come. Get the Oscar out of there before the gator gets here. Might better watch my back, right? They might come sneaking up behind me. Couldn't you just see them crawling up on the other side of the bridge, coming up on the bank, crossing the road, sneaking up behind me to get me? You better watch your back, man. See the teeth on that guy? Got some little teeth there. They're not huge chompers, but they rough you up a little bit. See, that's a pretty one. He's got light colors right here. He's got a very prominent red ring on his tail. So look at this. Ouch. Mr. Wally Gator right here. Can't have him, buddy. Sorry. It is it's against the law to feed alligators. Okay. All right. The plan is working. My hook is all bent up. These little guys have got very tough mouths on them. Dude, they make these Bass Pro little paddle tails. I think they make them out of this stuff that just, they want it to rip easy, so you keep tearing them up. My Roadrunner hook is all bent, like out of shape. Way bent out of shape. Let's see here. Get this thing back. All right, that might work. Oh, Gator just moved up a little bit closer. Look at that. He's got his teeth open. His mouth, got his mouth open about two inches. Get the tail back on here. Okay, and we are ready to go again. See, he snuck right over here right next to me. Oh dude, Oscar's just came shooting out of there. There he is, there he is, there he is. Watch out, Mr. Gator. Yeah, you can tell nobody feeds him, which is good. Oh, this is a pretty one here. Guys, this is a really pretty one. Maybe it's this, maybe it's the smaller ones that have lighter colors, or maybe the female has a lighter coloration. Holy smokes. Dude, look at Mr. Sneaky. Mr. Sneaky. He is literally, yeah, 3 feet down there. Mr. Sneaky. Sneaky. Pretty scary, man. Pretty freaking scary. Goodness gracious. Thanks for the catch. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. Keep wiping my hand off on the rail here. Slime City. These Oscars, they don't stink, but they are just loaded with slime. All right. Well, it hasn't quite been every cast this morning, but we have got a killer bite going on here. Oh, there he is. Every cast I get a strike. Definitely every cast I'm getting a hit, but we're not catching them on every cast. So these little guys this morning, for some reason, they are hanging out tighter to the weeds than what they were yesterday. I just noticed that one. That last one that I caught, when I was reeling the thing, the Oscars just came shooting out from underneath the weed pad. Here they come. Here they come. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. We're just trolling it along here. Come on. Come on. I can see him down there following it. Now I got a gar. Yep. I had a gar. Gar grabbed it. Alligators disappeared. Watch your back, JC. So did you guys know that an alligator has his brain is the size of a pea? That's pretty crazy. All right. And to think that people do alligator shows and they feed them and they grab them and they open their mouths, and I don't know, people just like, humans have a much bigger brain than an alligator, but they're not smart enough to not like swim where there's alligators present. Some of these videos that I see of people doing stuff where alligators are around, I'm like, don't you know they have a brain the size of a pea? Apparently they don't. Yeah, about time for a new tail. Everything's messing up here. Everything is messing up. Time for some tail. Time for some tail. Alrighty. Oh, there is a huge Oscar right over there. There's 2 or 3 of them right over that way. Yeah, we should be able to catch one of those. We should be able to catch one of those. Oh, dude, that big old gator's right there. I just saw his little snout come out. I'm gonna cast over there anyway. See if we can get hooked up, and we'll drag it way down, away from where he's at. Let's see what happens here. Oh no, I got caught on a weed. Whoa, look, there's a distraction. This guy just snuck right up behind me. Hey, big fella. We got some gator activity this morning. Definitely. Where'd those big Oscars go? I don't know where they went. Nice belch, huh? That was a good one, JC. All of these Oscars are getting wise to me here. They're getting wise. We're going to move down this way. I haven't casted this area much at all this morning. Kind of give you guys a little different perspective. I had 2 hits. I could see them following it. I'm gonna speed up the pace a little bit on my retrieve. See if that makes a difference. No, they don't want it. Well, is the bite slowing down? Watch your back, JC. Gators are sneaking up on you. Well, guys, I think I have educated a bunch of Oscars. I think that's what has happened here. They have seen this little rainbow colored spinner thing come through here so many times that they have gotten wise to my either that or it's just not the feeding period anymore. Maybe they don't like it that these gators are hanging out over here, right? So I'm about hungry for some breakfast anyway. Watch your back, JC. Watch your back. Yep. The bite is turned off. The bite has turned off. Okay, well, I'm ready for some breakfast anyway. I'm gonna cross onto the other side over here. We'll fish the other side for a little bit, see if we got anything over there. I think these guys are not hungry anymore. Sunrise is over with. So let's see here. Oh, there we go. First cast. First cast. Oh, he's getting in the weeds. He's getting in the weeds. Get out of there. I lost him. I lost him. First cast, he nailed it. Whoop, whoop. There we go. There we go. There we go. And we got that one out of the weeds. Woohoo! Look at that. They're not educated on this side. 2 casts and 2 hits. Isn't that interesting? I suppose that means that I definitely caught too many of them on the other side and released them. I probably caught them all. Thanks for the catch the past 3 days. So many Oscars. Actually, this is my second day fishing this spot. There are places all along the road where you can stop, and I probably stopped at maybe 8 to 10 different spots before I found this one. All of the spots are holding gar and Oscars, but this one right here is holding more Oscars than any other spot that I went to. See the little guys right here, he just nipped at it. He just nipped at it. Yep, he doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. Okay, well, it's time to cook some breakfast, guys. I'm getting hungry. Hungry Jack. An hour of fishing and I caught a whole bunch of fish. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit when we get some breakfast going. It's interesting. Apparently there are a lot of panthers in the area because all these streets have signs that say Panther Crossing, Panther Areas. Of course, I haven't seen a panther, but it's pretty cool. Panther Crossing. Next 6 miles, Panther Crossing.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grass is green and so alive. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a
You guys have never had cabinders on eggs. This is the bomb diggity right here. A little bit of cabinders on there. A few mosquitoes to go with it. That is looking delicious. Okay. And we should have a fork in here. I always use a spoon this morning. Make sure that's cleaned off good. Oh, that is so good. Man. That goodness. Oh, hot, spicy sausage nugget. Absolutely delicious. Now I just pulled into this little picnic area. This place is called Kirby Storter Scenic Boardwalk. I don't know. They're saying the Florida Panthers. I doubt we're going to see a panther, but I'm going to take the boardwalk. There are a lot of little places where you can pull off here on 41. I'm like probably 15 miles away from Everglades City, but they've all got like little restroom areas, and they're outhouse type, right? There's no running water, but they are clean. I did notice there's a place here where a camping area where volunteers can camp. So they have a lot of volunteers that maintain all these different public access places if you come down here. But yeah, we're gonna get to walk through the actual woods. You guys can see a little bit of what the Everglades looks like. It is nothing but swamp, swamp, swamp. Those are Florida cypress trees there, and let's get a good look at what a cypress tree looks like if you had never seen one. There's plenty of them around. Maybe if I be quiet, shh, maybe we'll see something. A deer or a panther. I don't know how long this boardwalk is. There. There's no cars coming. There's that Everglades, that silence, that quiet, being out in the middle of nowhere. Got some kind of cranes flying over there, way far away. Nice little boardwalk area here. I would like to see, oh God, spider web, huh? Ugh. I didn't see that. That was a spider web. I didn't see it. I was too busy thinking about what I was going to say next, apparently. I don't know, guys. This is just pretty boring. I mean, who lives better than JC, right? It's not boring. This is beautiful. I mean, look at that nice little walk through, but it's just going to be more of the same. I mean, this is the Florida Everglades right here. Look at, you got some kind of air plants growing up in there. There's probably some mistletoe in these trees somewhere. All right. Well, I'm gonna head back.